just picked up those 2 free mowers. So I didn't even see what they were. I just picked them up, threw them in the truck. That one's a Boland's. And then this one looked like a crap. I know it's a Briggs & Stratton. But for 2 free mowers, if we can get them both running, that'll be so cool. I'll catch y'all after the intro. So I'm just going back into the Facebook message. So I asked them if, that was my first question, was, are they junk or does it need some fixing? And he says they both work. The red one, believe, just needs a carb clean, but they both ran. So you know what? Let's take the green one out first and try to get that one running first, because if that one did run, we should be able to get that one running easily. This one's actually really light too. Oh, it's a Boland's, but it's got a Briggs & Stratton motor, I guess. Okay. All right, the blade doesn't look too bad in there. See if it's got any gas. Oh, it does. Doesn't really smell that good though. So my first worry was I tried to pull it and it just seems like it's a little stuck. Even this cable too. I'm gonna spray some PB Blaster on here. There we go. I just want to work it down the cable. There you go, it's starting to spin over a little bit. You know what? Let's prime this up. She's gonna start up. I know she is. Wanted to get it a little warmed up so I could check the oil, but damn, for 2 free lawnmowers, we already got one running. This is pretty cool. We do need to, oh, that's a metal gas tank. We do have to put some gas in there, some fresh gas, but wow, she runs. We'll see how she cuts later. All right, so now we got this one. So I think this one is a, what is it? A personal pace, yeah, it's a self-propelled system. So as soon as you push that down, it wants to drive. So that looks like that seems to be working fine so far. The cable works. Let's see. But I know pull start is a little nasty too. Oh, I kind of almost don't want to force it. Oh, did we break it? It's like wanting to do a wheelie. May have to open up the air box, but let's see if we can get it running just the way it is. I want to see if we can get this turned over again. We're getting nothing. All right, so we got that off. Oh, it's like riveted in there, so it's not like I can just unbolt it out. Well, we see that moves, it spins, but it seems like it's the motor that's she don't want to spin. So let's pop the spark plug off. See if we can take, maybe it's got too much compression. That's probably what it is, too much compression. Let's take a look at the spark plug. Ooh, she is nasty. I don't know if it smells like gas or oil. It's not terrible though, it's just it's a little wet. Alright, let's see if we can turn the motor over a little better now. Ooh, I'm still getting nothing. I see the piston. Let's see if we can get this to stay stuck like this and put some Marble Mystery Oil down the cylinder. Oh, that's perfect. That's money right there. That's a money setup right there. You understand, if something's been sitting for a little bit, you put this down the cylinder, ooh, She might be able to come back. I need a little funnel. A little funnel. I'll let that sit there like that for a minute. Let it seep in there. Because that piston goes up and down like this. It's not going up and down, you know, from top to bottom. This motor's horizontal. So you gotta let it sit, get around the rings, pick it up, do a little curl with it. At least it's not terrible down in here. While we let this thing sit like this for a couple minutes, why don't we go back to this and see how this thing's doing. So I did put a little bit of fresh gas, haven't even touched the spark plug, put a little bit of oil in. As you guys saw, I just raised this, I lowered the setting on this so I can cut a little bit better, because you can see I got some tall grass going on. But I think this is a W right here. Cable's working good. It's doing a pretty good job. I'm actually kind of impressed with this one. I like this one. It's pretty light. Like, I mean, pretty light. This one's a little heavy, but I think we're gonna get this one going. So now, since we know that this one's a W, we're already winning by so much just for getting 2 mowers for free. That one's got to go. I don't know what's up with that one. I think I'm just gonna get rid of it. I'm tired of messing with that one. All right, so now it's been sitting for a little bit. Let's see if we can get it to spin over somewhat. I'm not getting any luck here. Oh, we just broke it loose. Okay, we're working on something now. I'm about to delete this cover real quick. Get this thing out of here. All right. Oh, I think I put this in wrong. Oops. How the heck? Oh. All right. So we've already put fresh gas in it. We took the spark plug out, put a little bit of Marble Mystery Oil in there. We don't know how the carb's looking, so why don't we spray a little go-go juice in there, put the spark plug on, put it on, and see if it'll fire up. See if that'll last. Oh, let me tighten it down. Make sure she's tight. It's tight. All right, see if we can get something out of it. Oh, come on. Yeah, that carburetor could be clogged up pretty good. Why don't we open up the air box? I see it's just one bolt. The air box doesn't look good at all. And the inside of the carburetor doesn't look good either, but we're gonna send it. Come on, clear all that bad stuff out. All right, that's something. This is better. Now let's try to get it so it can kind of suck out all the stuff in the jets. Come on with it. might be pulling the carburetor off today. Damn. Oh, that exhaust is pop the door open. Come on, I know you can stay running by yourself. I know you could do it. I know you could do it. I know you can do it. Come on. Yeah, we're pulling the carburetor off. Oh, I think she's ready to go now. Oh, I gotta get that out of there. Let's see if I can get that out on camera. Look at that. It is just clogged. There it is. Look at that. Now she's brand new. Let's go. Put this carburetor back together. She's gonna be running. So let's just clean this up a little bit. That should pop right out. Let it sit in the brake cleaner bath. So right now our carburetor should be float stuck. Yeah, our float's stuck right now because it's just pissing out. So the fact that I got this one running and it, you know, it somewhat runs good. It just needs the carburetor really messed with. That float is just getting stuck and it's just pouring gas out. This thing does run, but it also does the same thing. As soon as you turn the gas on, it does have a little petcock there, but as soon as you turn the gas on, it just starts pouring out and it only runs a certain way, and I had to make a little throttle for it. This thing I'm actually really impressed with. It's very light, very cool to move around, started up real easy, and I think I may be keeping this one for myself. Go check out my video that came out a couple weeks ago. I got the brakes freed up. It was stuck, the rear end was locked up, and I got it freed up. Go check that out. We got the e-bike, the Hey Bike Villain. Definitely go and check that out. If you guys like watching what I'm doing, I know this one was a little bit of a longer video, but I wanted it to be longer to kind of show you guys that I can work on things, especially small motors like this. I know I didn't get this thing 100% running off of its own power in the carburetor, but it does run. And again, for free, 2 lawnmowers, come on. And we already got one running that is killing it, that's already eating up all the grass. If y'all just sticking around, this is a little bit of different content than I got on my channel, because I know I usually do, like, you know, 4-wheelers, 3-wheelers, 2-wheelers. Definitely come check me out. I think I want to start doing live streams every Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'm thinking Tuesdays and Thursdays in the afternoon around 6 to 7 o'clock. So if you guys are interested in that, that's when I'll kind of be doing some Q&As, working on some stuff behind the scenes. I may get some other projects, and you guys will see it live before it even ends up hitting a video. So definitely stay tuned for that. And definitely check out my YouTube shorts. Those are going crazy. Go check out this one. This one's got over 1 million views. It is so funny. But yeah, like I said, I appreciate y'all watching. If you like what I do, definitely show some support. Say what's up in the comments. Just let me know you watched the video. Let me know you stayed a couple minutes. You don't have to hit me with a like, but at least just say what's up. I'll catch y'all later. I'm RowdyDB. Peace out.